Do you have $100 and want to start investing in crypto? You're not too late, and you don't need thousands to get started. In fact, $100 is more than enough to take your first step, the smart way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin, how to protect your money, and how to build a simple yet powerful crypto investing habit, even if you've never invested before. Let's get started and look at a 10-step process to start investing in crypto. Step 1. Understand what crypto really is. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to know what you're investing in. Cryptocurrency isn't just about hype and headlines. At its core, crypto is about decentralization. It's a way of sending, storing, and securing value without banks, governments, or third parties. Bitcoin is like digital gold, and Ethereum is the infrastructure powering decentralized applications. When you invest in crypto, you're not just buying coins. You're investing in the future of money, finance, and digital ownership. This perspective matters. Step 2. Mindset. You're building wealth and not trying to gamble. Let's get this straight. Crypto is not a lottery ticket. The people who win in crypto don't chase the next hype coin. They build smart systems. They learn. They stay consistent. With just $100, your goal isn't to double your money overnight. It's to learn the ropes, make smart moves, and build a habit that will pay off over time. That mindset alone sets you apart from most beginners. Step 3. Choose the right exchange for buying and selling your cryptocurrency. To begin, you'll need a crypto exchange. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. If you're in the US, Coinbase is incredibly beginner-friendly. If you're international or want more options, Binance is a great alternative. Others include Kraken, Crypto.com, and Bitstamp. Make sure to use a strong password, set up two-factor authentication, and only use trusted exchanges and avoid unknown platforms. Step 4. Let's break down the $100 game plan for starting your investment. Here's how to split your $100 smartly. $40 to learn and explore, $40 to invest, and $20 for fees, wallet setup, or reserve. Here is a detailed breakdown of each of the investments. Step 5. Use the first $40 to learn with skin in the game. Learning is most effective when you're involved. Take $20 and buy a small amount of Bitcoin and buy Ethereum with the remaining $20 because these are the foundation of the crypto world. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency. It's secure, proven, and the most widely recognized crypto. Ethereum is the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and thousands of crypto projects, and owning just a little helps you pay more attention. You'll want to learn how wallets work, what gas fees are, and how transfers happen. When you own crypto, learning gets real. Step 6. Set up your first wallet. Now that you've bought crypto, and store your crypto in your wallet. Most people leave their coins on the exchange, but that's risky. Exchanges can be hacked, accounts can be frozen, and you don't control your keys. Let's now talk about wallets. There are two main types of wallets. First, software wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. They are mobile-friendly and great for beginners. Second, hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are physical devices that store your crypto offline. These are best for long-term security. Start with a software wallet and transfer your crypto from the exchange and learn how it works. Later, when you invest more, upgrade to a hardware wallet. The sooner you understand wallet security, the better protected you'll be. Step 7. Use dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount of money on a schedule, no matter what the market is doing. It removes emotion and helps you avoid buying at the top. Here's an example. Set up a recurring buy of $10 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum every payday. Over time, this builds your position and lowers your average cost. Even if prices dip, you keep buying. If prices rise, your earlier buys grow in value. It's a proven strategy used by smart investors, not just in crypto, but in stocks too. Step 8. Avoid common mistakes beginners make with investing in crypto. And let's go over some mistakes you should absolutely avoid. Don't invest everything at once. Spread it out and don't chase trending coins you don't understand. Don't panic and sell on a dip. Crypto is volatile and expected. Don't leave large amounts on exchanges. Use a wallet and don't borrow money to invest in crypto ever. With just $100, your best investment is in learning how to do this right. Every mistake you avoid saves you more than what you've invested. Step 9. What will $100 become over time? Let's do some quick math and see the long-term effects. If you put $100 into crypto and never add to it, it might grow, or it might shrink. But if you invest $25 a month, every month, for the next year, That's $300. Do that for 3 years, it's $900. Now imagine crypto grows 5x in that time, a conservative estimate for Bitcoin or Ethereum. Your $900 becomes $4,500, and you've been learning the whole time. You now have skills, strategy, and confidence. That's how real wealth gets built. Step 10. Upgrade when you're ready. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring other crypto options. Explore altcoins with real utility and stake your crypto to earn passive income. Use DeFi protocols, understand NFTs, and diversify your portfolio for smarter investing. But don't rush it and master the fundamentals first. $100 is just the beginning, and it's a powerful one. Now that you know how to invest your first $100 the smart way, it's time to take action. Start building your portfolio, stay consistent, and keep learning as you grow. If you want a complete beginner to pro roadmap, including portfolio structure, crypto security, and long-term strategies, then check out the Intelligent Cryptocurrency program. It's a full step-by-step system designed for people just like you. For those who want to invest in crypto the smart way, not the risky way, this is your path forward. You'll get lifetime access to training, mentorship, and ongoing updates. Click the link in the description to join. It's risk-free and fully backed by a money-back guarantee. Most people think you need thousands to get started with crypto. You don't. You need a plan. You need discipline. And you need the right guidance. Start with $100 and stick to the basics. Learn as you go, and most importantly, invest in your education. If you're ready to do this right, click the link below and let's get started together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the program.